Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to Don't Forget to Move. It's your man Jules here, and today I'm going to do a product review for this amazing inflatable stand-up paddleboard, which I'm so excited to unbox in front of you for the first time and to test out on the lake. I'm going to unbox this thing and I'm going to check it out. I'm going to show you exactly what it is. It is a Body Glove Performer 11-foot inflatable stand-up paddleboard. So believe it or not, inside this box is this. Okay, it is a whole stand-up paddleboard that packs into a backpack. You inflate it with a pump, you carry it. It's pretty awesome. For me who loves to surf, this is going to be so great. I can take a surfboard in a backpack with me all over my travels without having to lug this huge thing. So without further ado, I'm going to use my special box opener, which is my set of keys, and I'm going to open this bad boy. Here we go. Inside the box, so this is Body Glove's famous Performer 11-foot inflatable stand-up paddleboard, and if you're going to inflate something, you better come with a pump. So this is our first thing here. We've got a pump, looks pretty heavy duty, nice foot pump right there. What's the next thing that you need if you're going to have an inflatable stand-up paddleboard? You need a paddle. So we've got 3 parts to the paddle here. This is the paddle part, probably the most important part. A nice sturdy looking paddle. This section here connects in nice and tight. There we go. Now this is cool. This is the paddle end, and it actually tells you the paddle length should match with the paddle height. So I guess it makes it longer. I'm 6 foot, so I want to have it here. Bear with me here. There we go. All right. Perfect. Okay. Pump, paddle. What else have we got in here? Leg rope. Make sure that if I fall off the board doesn't fall away, so I've got a leg rope here. A repair kit, that's pretty handy. It is an inflatable paddleboard, so if you do snag a hole in it, I'm going to be able to repair it. That's cool. Okay, what's this? This is pretty handy. Waterproof pouch, you know, put your stuff in it, put it around your neck when you paddleboard. There we go, perfect. Here's the big bad boy, right in here. This is it. This is the paddleboard. Okay, so what we've got here is a backpack. Everything fits inside this handy backpack. There you go. I'm gonna go paddleboarding. I'm gonna unzip this bag and check out the paddleboard for the first time. All is good, here it is. Oh God, it's pretty heavy. A little clip. So here's my first look at the Body Glove Performer 11-foot inflatable stand-up paddleboard. It is pretty awesome to have something that you can carry in a backpack. All right, let's roll it out. Well, here it is. I don't know if you can see it all. We've got some fins. Oh, we've got actually got some proper fins on it. That's pretty sweet. You can actually take this thing surfing. It feels very thick and very durable. We've got push up to inflate. Okay, so this is where we inflate it down at the end. We've got a little spot at the end. Put our leg rope, standard leg rope. Put that through. Leg rope's on. We've got a handle here that will help us carry it. Triple layer stringer. This thing is very, very durable. I'm impressed. Okay, the only thing to do now is to start inflating it. Push pin down to inflate. Oh, there we go. I got my pump set up here. So this is just locked. This has got a bit of a swivel in it. It just, you push it in, it locks in. Now it's time to pump. Okay, I'll see you guys on the other side. This might take a while. Whew. Okay, a little out of breath. I went pretty much to town on that thing, but that took probably about 90 seconds to pump up. So that, a bit out of breath here, was actually very quick. I thought that was going to take ages, but this pump is a beast. All right, here it is. The Body Glove 11-foot Performer. This is what an 11-foot inflatable stand-up paddleboard looks like. Pretty big, but very solid. This is the back side. We've got a nice cool design up here. This little turtle, Body Glove. Right, down here, we've got some fins. We've got these little floaties in case you drown. No, I think they're to protect the fins. Plastic, pretty hard. Yeah, not too bad actually. Little built-in fins. 11 foot tall, 34 inches wide by 6 inches thick. So it's a beast, all right. Okay, We've got this little strap up here. I'm assuming this is probably to put some bags, maybe like a waterproof bag if you're gonna go paddling on the lake or something, which is cool. And a handle, because you do need a handle, because otherwise it's pretty hard. Unless you got really long arms. Even my arms are pretty long and I still can't get around it. So there we go. Surf's up, man. Now it's time to go and get our model on the lake. So what do you reckon, Christine? Ready to go?
Yep, let's do it.
All right, let's do it. I'm gonna deflate this, chuck in the backpack. We're gonna go for a hike and we're gonna get on the river or the lake or something, some body of water. Everything is back into the backpack right now. Board, the paddle, the pump, the repair kit. I've even got that waterproof case. So it's all here. Super easy to deconstruct, super easy to construct. We're gonna go hit a lake. Let's go. This looks like a great spot to launch the paddleboard, so I'm going to inflate this and Christine's going to get ready and we're going to hit the water. All beat it. How you going, Christine?